Hello, welcome to another live session of Tapur Creations. I'm Nupur, your host for the evening. Just last evening, I was in the kitchen and my family was watching the news, and I was, making it fast, making things fast in the kitchen so that I can come and watch the live news because there are quite few important updates that are given. But somehow I missed it, and when I came and sat in the living room, the news was almost over. But after that, what happened was I got a recapitulation from the newsreader. She gave an entire day's updates in a small pointer form of recapitulation. So that is when I thought that Tapur Creations has been coming live for quite some time now, and we've been doing some exciting craft work, lots of sessions. We've learned a lot of things. So I thought before I take forward and do my other sessions, why don't we do a quick short recapitulation of all the things that we have learned together. If you remember my first live, uh, what is Tapu Creations all about? I told you Tapu Creations is all about creativity. It is all about using recycled materials, using not throwing away stuff which can be reused to make very good exciting craft work, and which is not just decorative but also utility based. So we started off with newspaper craft, that is best out of waste. It's a five-part series which we started, and we have completed 3 sessions till now. And the first session I introduced you to a whole new world of newspapers and what we can make out of newspapers. First session, I showed you how newspapers can be cut into strips, like how I have cut these newspaper strips into rectangular strips. And then we moved on to see how these newspaper strips can be turned into these newspaper tubes, newspaper straws, hollow newspaper straws. Now this recapitulation is very important, and from my perspective, being from the education background, I feel that every now and then practice and recapitulating wherever you have practice is very important to keep everything stored in your head. So this recapitulation session for you all, we learned how these newspaper tubes were made with these strips using this knitting needle. And I had mentioned a few other things which you can use other than the knitting needles, like a toothpick or a skewer or anything which is cylindrical and thin and round. Now then we went on to see how these newspaper tubes in turn can be made into such coils. These coils, we made these newspaper coils, if you can just see, and I showed you we made several of these coils, and then we moved on to making a little tiny cute product, which is this newspaper tube photo frame, where you could put a family photo frame. And I also said that you can children can make these small things and give to their parents, grandparents, and make them happy. Then we moved on to the next live session. In the next live session, as promised, I had discussed that newspaper coils can be of several sizes, several types, several designs. So we moved on to learning how to make square newspaper coils. But before that, I showed you a newspaper coil. This newspaper coil which we made in the first live session had a very small perforation in the center. But we moved on to making a newspaper coil which has a bigger perforation at the center. The diameter is bigger. Then we moved on to learning how to make a square newspaper coil. And in the same live session, we learned how we can join these square newspaper coils that we've made and make a small cute little product. But how do we join them? If we just join them like this, they will be a little bit wobbly, they will move, and they will not keep sturdy and stable. So I had shown you how we can use these flattened newspaper tubes to make connectors. We divided these newspaper tubes into smaller ones, cut them that is, and we made such small connectors, which I'm going to show you right now. We made these small connectors from the newspaper tubes, and we use these connectors in turn to join the square coils or circular coils like this. So here you see I have this connector which has been used to join the two circular coils together and to make it sturdy. And we made several of these square coils, several of these connectors, and we joined them together to make this beautiful, lovely mat, which can be used as a table mat or a coaster. And then we ended that live session. After that, we went on to the third live session, and as promised, I had promised that we will be making something out of these table mats. We will be joining these table mats in turn to make another product. And I showed you how to join these table mats together, how to paint them and make a final product like this, which was a newspaper tube coil desk organizer, or maybe you can call it a utility basket as well. I had shown you how to color this, and I had shown you how to give it this copperish effect, and I had also mentioned how this can be made sturdy and hard by giving it a protective layer of Fevicol. We called it Fevicol coating. And so that was the end of that live session. And in all these three live sessions, we have learned the very basics of newspaper art, newspaper tube craft. We have learned a few techniques of how these newspaper tubes can be made into small coils, small connectors. They can be flattened to make final products. Now, since my live session for this newspaper tube craft is a 5-part series, and we have completed 3 sessions of this. Now my next live session, I had mentioned in my earlier last live that I will be showing you how these newspaper tubes can be individually colored, because some products are so intricate. Like if I will show you a product which I have made, which is so intricate. If you can see this weaving, it is a pen stand and it has been so intricately woven. Now if you make the final product, if you just pass on this one, if you make I had made it without coloring it before. So this was the same pen stand, but here is the colored product. Now do you think I could have actually colored it this way after making the product? It is practically impossible, or if it is possible, then it is quite time consuming. So I will be showing you how the individual newspaper tubes can be colored, and they in turn can be used to then weave the final product. So my next session is going to be all about colors. What are the colors that can be used in craft work, especially for newspapers? Craft work can use a lot of colors. but especially for newspaper, to keep the quality of the product intact, to give it a sturdiness, stability, what all colors can be used, which colors are available in the market, and which is best usable for your product. We will talk about all those, and I will be showing you how to paint the newspaper tubes, and I will also show you how to interweave the newspaper sticks that we have painted. And after this, there is a special announcement. My last session of this series of newspaper craft will be actually it is a special live session for a little friend of mine who had contacted me. She's just 8 years old. I will mention her name in my live session when I actually conduct it. This little friend of mine is an avid follower of Tapur Creations, and she has never missed a single live. And in my first live, I had shown these newspaper coils, and she actually made her mom do a video call to me on FB Messenger, and she showed me how many of these coils that she has made with her little hands, and I was so overwhelmed. And she requested me ki auntie, can you please show a pen stand which I can make with these coils. So I have assured her that one of my live sessions is going to be dedicated fully to her, to make a beautiful pen stand with these small coils. So my last live session of this series, newspaper tube craft basics, will be a pen stand with these coils. And after that, we will move on. After that 5 series batch, we will move on to an advanced level. I will mention about the advanced level, what all we can learn in it. We will learn more intricate designs, more creative designs, and you will be really amazed at the ways and means how a newspaper tube can be used to make even more beautiful products, which are quite unthinkable that, oh, this is a newspaper product. So advanced level, I will mention about it, details about it in my last live of this series. Till then, do stay tuned with Tapur Creations, be creative and stay safe. Bye.